In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Google Calendar into dark mode. Whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, save on battery life, or you simply prefer a darker aesthetic, changing your Google Calendar theme is a quick and easy process. Let's start by navigating to Google Calendar. You can do this by either typing Google Calendar into your search engine or by entering calendar.google.com directly into your browser's address bar. Once you've accessed your calendar, it's time to head over to the settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear or cog icon indicating settings. Click on it, and this will open a drop-down menu providing various adjustable options for your calendar. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Appearance. Click on it and you'll be taken to a section where you can customize the look and feel of your calendar. This is where you can switch to dark mode, which is a simple on-screen adjustment that your eyes will thank you for, especially during those late night productivity sessions. Now that you've clicked on Appearance, you should see a toggle or option for dark mode or simply dark. By selecting this option, your calendar's background will change from a bright white to a deep shade, creating a high contrast environment that many users find more visually appealing and easier to look at for extended periods of time. After making this change, simply go ahead and hit Done to save your new theme preference. You should immediately see the entire calendar interface shift to dark mode, confirming that your settings have been updated successfully. This transformation is not only about style, it's practical too. Many users have shared that dark themes can make text stand out better, reducing glare and eye strain. Plus, if you're using a device with an OLED screen, dark mode can even help extend your battery life since your device uses less power in dark mode than when brightly lit. It's also worth mentioning that adjusting to new themes can take time. If you find that dark mode isn't quite your style or isn't working for you as expected, you can always switch back by following these same steps and selecting the standard or light theme instead. And there you have it, a quick and practical guide to changing your Google Calendar into dark mode. It's a straightforward adjustment that can make your digital life a bit more comfortable and stylish. Thanks for watching and happy calendaring.